Hey guys, it's your girl Wandika, originally from Jamaica, and I have figured out how I am going to backtrack and cover all of 2019. So this is my setup video. So I basically resold a bunch of these. This had been a journal that I had in 2013, but that's why I shouldn't read over your journals. I was like, I'm just gonna use this cover because what was written in that journal just does not need to be preserved. And so put on some fabric on the cover and sewed it in with wax thread. And this is how I'm going to begin. I'm going to use each signature for a month because remember, as I said, I don't have to-do lists. I can't think of what my to-do list would have been. I'm just going to have pictures and little notes about the day, if I can remember, and my Google Photos, I know like what picture I took, and my Facebook, and so I have the calendar in there. And then I'll just, each page I'll probably have one thing about the day. Yeah, or I might have to double it up because it's just one signature. But yeah, and then February, I couldn't find the calendar for that one, but I thought it was interesting, and I had this, and it wasn't my plan, but it ended up my love. And February 14, yeah, that theme. So it's kind of junky and I love it. It's just delicious. And then March, have my pockets going on there. So I was gonna put it on the side, but I'm like, well, I could make this my first quarter book. Yeah. And then my birthday month, April. So I'm very excited about going back, getting those little pictures in here for 2019 so that I have a record, because this was a really important year for me. Yeah. So yeah, all right. And this was a sketchbook, artist lock, and I always get these because I like to take out the pages and like tea-dye them and put them in other books. And I came across this in that section of my cart where I had books that I need to sew, and I thought, yeah, this works because like I have the rest of the months are the similar size, so let's do this. And so the reason I have even this, I chose this fabric on the cover, is that in the summer I did a lot of traveling. I went to 2 different writing retreats, and I also went to New Orleans to work on my novel. So I thought, just like in the May of 2018, toward the end I did some traveling, I thought I'd do that, so it mostly was in June that I traveled. First I traveled home to my sisters in Atlanta and started the process of like looking for a place to live now that I was gonna start teaching at Spelman. So I have this in here, even though this would have been probably better for 2018 because I actually went to England and Barcelona, but it's fine. It's as a backdrop just to show travel. I have to have a little pocket in there. Yeah, so the same thing that I did with the first book is that there are 3 signatures, and so I'll try to contain each month to a signature. So I'm just excited that I have now a plan, because I was like, what am I going to do? I can't let 2019 run off and I don't even document it. I have documented a lot of things though in my writing log, so I'm glad there's that. But I wanted also somewhere tangible, not just like online, but somewhere I can look back on, like the 2017 books. And this one, from August to October, and same deal, 3 signatures, 3 months. And if you recognize this, I revamped that book that I said I didn't feel anything for, and I put some tea-dyed paper in there to brighten it up. I changed the fabric on the cover. Remember, I had like that washed out kind of blue floral on the cover. So a lot of those pages are still in here, but it's like spruced up. You know, what a difference pattern paper can make. Because look, you know, I have this in the other one too. Yeah, so I have my calendars down just to remind myself. And the good thing is that from August to now, I have populated a calendar because I started teaching, so I had to keep track of meetings and appointments and all of that stuff. So I do think that my calendars in this one will be a lot more populated than in the earlier ones, because I don't remember everything that was going on. And so this month, interestingly, because I had sewn in 3 and I don't think it could hold another one, I was gonna do from August to November because I knew I had the Christmas book. But this one, I said, you know what, it was gonna be a Christmas book too, and I would kind of put my extra Christmas pages in here and make it available for somebody. But I needed a book the same length because I want to have some kind of continuity. And so and interestingly, this pattern paper has November kind of spelled there, and I thought, yeah, use this as a cover. And today is the 17th, so it will be something I'll be working in first. I think I'll do this first because it's fresher in my mind, and I'll just do 1 day per page, except when I have like the small in between. I might do this is one and this is one. But yeah, I'm excited, guys. So that's November. And then I had this book when I was in Utah, and I might just put 2019 in gold here because like Christmas, December. I was going to do this as my Christmas book, but it was too big and it was too soon for me to get back into the scale of journaling that I would do. And so I did that small book that I showed you. And you can see from I probably link it, my December plans. That was the only one post April 2018 that I did a daily planner, and I was going to use this, but I was like, I don't know, it's just too much real estate and I'm just not back to where I was in terms of crafting. I was still trying to get settled again. But I am very excited now that I already have a Christmas book. I don't feel in the Christmas mood yet because, yeah, I don't know, people have been playing carols from before Halloween, so that's kind of like killed anything that I may have had, you know, because by now I would have started to feel very Christmassy, but I'm not. I will be doing a December daily. So either I'll do it daily, but I'll probably show you week by week because there's no way I can commit to doing a video a day. But lots of great pages, you know, because I took out the pages that were originally in here and put in here. Some from other books too. Like I'll keep some of these. And I have all my stickers. I'll show you the stickers. Yeah, so I even like have this for the small ones, like dates, you know, so I'm gonna add more stuff to this. Any cards I come across. I've put some like bigger ones in here. So I am ready for December daily. Right? Yeah, this has been a very good year for me. Yeah, lots of challenges because, you know, moving, setting up yourself in a new place, all of that, like new job, everything is new. It's very difficult, but you know, I'm doing it and I want to document it. And so basically, I will have a kind of recapping 2019 plan with me episode thing going, because that way I will share the process with you, and you know, I'll just do a watch me work kind of sped up video like I normally do. And so I'm excited about that. I'm especially excited about the Christmas book because I don't have to make a new book. I did not have any more time to, because I made all of these recently. I can't. I have too much stuff that I have to do to think about which book would I use. And so this was done already. Excited to just start. Alright guys, thanks so much for checking out my video. I will be back. As you know, I am more motivated to keep making these videos. You know, leave me a comment, let me know you were here. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Wow, good.